Welcome to Prime Auto Insights. If you're into high-performance SUVs that blend rugged capability with top-tier luxury, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Lexus GX 550 Overtrail, a true off-road beast that refuses to compromise on refinement. Lexus has completely redefined the GX lineup, and this latest model is built to dominate any terrain while keeping you wrapped in pure comfort. Stick around as we break down everything from its aggressive new design to its powerhouse performance. And if you love in-depth car reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more expert insights. The first thing you'll notice about the new GX 550 Overtrail is its commanding presence. Lexus has gone all in on a bolder, more muscular design that screams capability. The front end is nothing short of aggressive, with a massive grille that gives this SUV an unmistakable road presence. The LED headlights are razor sharp, with an intricate lighting signature that enhances the modern and rugged aesthetic. Functional hood vents add a sporty edge, hinting at the performance potential underneath. Moving along the side, the proportions are perfectly balanced, strong, confident, and built for adventure. The sculpted fenders accommodate a set of robust wheels designed for both off-road durability and on-road refinement. The high ground clearance and reinforced body structure signal that this isn't just another luxury SUV, it's engineered to conquer extreme conditions with ease. Around the rear, the design is just as striking, with a bold tailgate layout, modern taillight graphics, and an integrated spoiler that gives it a sporty finish. Step inside, and you're instantly met with Lexus-level craftsmanship. The cabin is meticulously designed, with high-end materials, precision detailing, and an atmosphere that exudes sophistication. The layout is both functional and luxurious, offering a perfect balance between comfort and usability. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system packed with the latest Lexus interface software. It's fast, intuitive, and loaded with features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. A premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, making long road trips or off-road adventures even more enjoyable. Seating is exceptionally supportive, with advanced comfort features that make every journey effortless. The driver's seat is positioned for optimal visibility, ensuring confidence whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling rough trails. Rear passengers get plenty of space to stretch out, and with multiple climate zones, everyone gets their ideal temperature setting. Cargo space is generous, making this SUV as practical as it is stylish. Under the hood, the GX 550 Overtrail delivers serious power. The refined engine is built to provide a perfect blend of performance and efficiency, ensuring you have all the muscle needed for any adventure. Acceleration is smooth yet forceful, giving you the confidence to overtake on highways or power through rugged trails. But the real magic happens when you take it off the pavement. The advanced suspension system, coupled with intelligent terrain management, makes the GX 550 a true off-road warrior. Whether you're climbing rocky inclines, navigating deep mud, or powering through sand dunes, this SUV handles it all with absolute control. The full-time four-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, while adjustable drive modes let you fine-tune the vehicle's performance for any situation. And let's talk about ride quality. Lexus has engineered this SUV to deliver exceptional comfort, even in the toughest conditions. The suspension absorbs impacts effortlessly, ensuring a smooth, composed ride. On the road, it's quiet, refined, and incredibly stable, making it just as enjoyable for city driving as it is for rugged adventures. Lexus has positioned the GX 550 Overtrail as a serious competitor in the luxury off-road segment. While the price point reflects its premium build and advanced technology, it remains a strong value proposition when compared to its closest rivals. When stacked against alternatives like the Land Rover Defender, Mercedes-Benz G-Class, and Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk, the GX holds its own with a compelling mix of reliability, durability, and luxury. So, is the 2025 Lexus GX 550 Overtrail the ultimate luxury off-road SUV? It certainly makes a strong case. With its rugged yet refined design, cutting-edge technology, and unstoppable performance, it's a powerhouse that delivers the best of both worlds. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a high-end, adventure-ready SUV, the GX 550 is one to watch. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Lexus GX 550 Overtrail? Is this your ideal off-road SUV, or are you considering something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Prime Auto Insights, and we'll see you in the next review.